if you are young and black and from a low income neighborhood and you want to know why us as black people fight each other and hurt each other so much, that's because throughout history we were programmed to be against each other. And it all started with something called the Willie Lynch letter. Okay? I suggest that you all Google the Willie Lynch letter to figure out how things started and how things begin with us being against each other. Okay? So, what I would like to encourage y'all to do is learn about your history so that we can move forward in a better future without robbing and stealing and killing each other and hurting each other. And actually build something and make something for ourselves. Okay? Because we are really the #1 community in the whole wide world that be against each other the way that we do. Most other communities stick together. That's why they thrive quicker and faster than we do. And also develop communities. Right now today, developing strong communities because they stick together. Okay? So if you all want to know why we don't stick together, Google the Willie Lynch letter and comprehend it, and then also think about social oppression, economic oppression. Okay? Social oppression and economic oppression. Okay? So, you know, all that combined, that's the result you have today. Alright? So I just wanted you all to know that, so maybe you all can understand what the problem is and come up with a solution. Because right now, that's what we need. We need a solution. Peace. Have a nice day, y'all. Out.